Can technical indicators identify stock market trends? Financial expert Anuj Kapil will elaborate on this now.
So one of the key parameters of technical analysis which I follow is Elliott wave analysis of sectors. We do not do any Elliott wave analysis of stocks. We do for the sector so that we get to know which sector is going to perform in a overall period of time. Because Elliott wave presents the overall picture for the next 5 years to 10 years to 15 years to 20 years. So it gives you the social change, the paradigm change in the sector. So we got to know how the sectors are rotating between the time cycles, so that we should be investing on those sectors which are going to do good in the coming time cycles. So we were very bullish in capital goods. We were very bullish in pharma. We were bullish in IT when nobody was purchasing the IT at that time in last November 22 or December 22. We have made the highest position in the IT sector. And believe me, when everybody was saying that IT is gone, recession is coming, all the blah blah things, we have made the killing in IT, and that is what happened. So in your life, you have ever heard the story with in our part of India, we have always heard the story that sher aaya, sher aaya, but the lion doesn't come ever. When lion comes, we do not know when the lion comes. Lion only comes. So the candlestick patterns we follow on the bigger time frames, like on the monthly basis, quarterly basis, we do not do on daily basis. Third, intermarket divergence. So we see that how small cap sector index is doing, how mid cap index is doing, how large cap index is doing. Sometimes they give the divergence that mid cap is running and large cap segment is not running. They are making downside and mid cap is going up. So these are the kind of intermarket divergence we see over a period of time, and that is how we predict that there is a bottom on 20th March of 2023, where I have invested 100% of my portfolio, the 100% cash in my portfolio. So at that time, intermarket divergence helps you a lot when you got to see that large cap or that you got to see mid cap and small caps are going up, but large cap remains the same. So that is one of the key parameters with market is going down. And that is one thing which bottom has been made over a period of time. But that thing has come over a period of experience, over a period of analysis that I have grown over like last 18 years. So sector divergence, there are some of the sectors which are divergent to other sectors. So these are the things in technical studies we find the indicators on a larger framework, on a larger, not on the stock basis, on a sector basis, sectoral basis. So we got to know that which sector is going to perform better in coming 2 or 3 quarters or 4 quarters, or let me say 2 to 3 years.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.